Greeting, this is Mark Brown. You're going to be looking at how we can create a table right here in this database here. Yes, a simple table in this database right here. All right, so if you stick to the end, you know exactly how to do it. So if you notice, we have all different types right here. So what we want to select is the blank right here. Now when you click on the blank, this is what come up. You touch create. You can actually put in a name straight here. Click on the desktop. You can click on create. Right. Another can see right here. You know, say blank, there's no table. All right, so for this, you can come right here and click. So right here, so you want to create the table. So the first thing you want to come up here, notice this is where create, you're going to click. No, this is a table design. So you're going to click on table design. Notice where the field name and data type. So I'm going to put in the name. I'm going to put ID right there. So right over here, notice a short text. I can actually click this little pointer right here. Notice you have a host of stuff that we can use. We can actually use auto number. We can use long number and all of that. So I'm going to choose auto number. You may wonder why auto number. For instance, if you forgot to put in a number, automatically number actually in. Right up here, so I'm going to put first name, just like that. And then we're going to click right over here. If you notice your text, if you come all the way down here, so you're actually going to change the fee side. All right, I'm going to put 25. We're going to click again right here. We're going to put the next one. We're going to say last name. Just the same procedure. We're going to click over here. All right, you're going to do the same thing. You're going to come right here. So you're going to change the fee side. You're going to come back up here. You're going to click. You're going to put the word address. And then click here. I'm going to do the same thing right here. So I can actually move 25 in front of this. I'm going to put this fee side right here. Then I'm going to click on the bottom again. I'm going to write where state. Just like that. And if I come over here, I can actually put it, say for instance, to 25, depending from where you are. So in this case now, when you finish, definitely what you can actually do is to assign a primary key. What's a primary key? The primary key is actually to actually link other tables together. So you're going to come right here. You notice I click right here on the ID right here. So you notice right up here, so I'll come up here and click on table design. If you notice, this is the primary key, so I click on the primary key. You notice it actually add the primary key right here. Yes, it's very important. So you're going to come right up here and you're going to save it. Right clicking, when you click it, it says save as. You're going to give it a table name. So what I wanted to give it, I'm going to say customer. Just like that. And then I'm going to press OK. Now when I press OK, notice it actually show up over here. Right, so I want to close it. I'm going to come right here and I'm going to close it. If you notice, it shows as a blank. But if you want to see the table exactly what I just created, just come right over here. You notice right here, just double click. And notice it's your first name, last name, address, date, and all that. So this is a table right now. You can actually add fields in it and all that. So I hope you have learned something from this particular video. So if this video has assisted you, just remember to share it with your friend. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.